What weighs people down more? Their possessions or the pursuit of them? For many, a life of accumulating stuff leaves them feeling unsatisfied and burdened. Yet living with less through minimalism and a more frugal living lifestyle could be the key to unlocking a truer sense of richness and fulfillment. It may sound counterintuitive, but having fewer possessions can actually allow people to feel wealthier in more profound ways. From substantial cost savings to finding deeper meaning, there are many powerful reasons why minimalist living and a simple life makes you richer. Let's explore 7 of these, and by the end, you might be rethinking your approach to your things and possessions. Reason number 1, cut the mindless purchases. We've all been there. You see a flashy sale, a buy one get one deal, or something that just catches your eye in the moment, so you buy it, telling yourself you deserve to treat yourself every now and then. But when you get home and those dopamine levels drop, buyer's remorse starts to creep in. You realize you didn't actually need that thing and probably won't use it much. But as a minimalist, you become more thoughtful about each potential purchase. You ask yourself if it will genuinely add value to your life or just become more clutter. With this simple mindset shift, you effortlessly avoid mindless impulse spending and all those wasted dollars. Reason number 2, slash those living expenses. Having your own space is essential, but lodging costs like rent or mortgages can drain your finances quickly, especially if you need plenty of room to store all your stuff. On top of that, there's maintenance, repairs, storage units, and other hidden fees that come with a lot of possessions. The anxiety starts kicking in as those expenses pile up. However, when you embrace a more simple living approach, you can dramatically slash major costs. Minimalists don't need huge homes since they own less stuff. They can easily downsize into smaller, much cheaper spaces and travel light without hauling belongings everywhere. Lower housing, utility, and service bills mean way more breathing room in your budget. Reason number 3, less clutter and less stress. You're trying to work, study, or just relax at home, but there's just so much stuff everywhere you look. Clutter covers every surface, drawers are overflowing, and you can't ever find what you need. That constant visual noise is like an endless distraction loop, messing with your focus and calm. Studies show this excess environmental strain leads to higher cortisol levels and mental fatigue. It's like lugging around extra mental baggage that saps your energy, focus, and inner peace. But minimalism offers an escape from this soul-draining clutter trap. It's all about stripping away the non-essentials to create a functional, clutter-free environment. With far fewer possessions vying for your attention, you'll feel an incredible sense of relief and clarity. That renewed energy and mental breathing space are invaluable gifts. Reason number 4, reclaim your time. Does it sometimes feel like you're working just to pay for all the stuff you've accumulated? You have a growing list of expenses, car payments, mortgages, credit card bills for impulse buys, subscriptions, you name it. And they all require long hours at work to afford it all, leaving you time poor and burned out. But simple living frees you from this hectic consumer rat race. With little debt, minimal belongings, and low overhead costs, you may not need to work such grueling hours to sustain yourself. Suddenly, you get back that precious gift of time that was once monopolized by consumerism. And you're free to spend those reclaimed hours however you choose, on hobbies, relationships, or simply being present. It's the ultimate luxury. Abundant time to actually live a life enriched by what money can't buy. Reason number 5, experiences over stuff. Somewhere along the way, we started defining ourselves more by our material possessions than our life experiences. We get carried away acquiring stuff, but that new TV or gadget doesn't make us truly happier for long. There's always a void waiting to be filled by the next shiny object. As a frugal minimalist, you flip this on its head. You shift your priorities to what really enriches your life. Meaningful experiences and quality memories over the mere accumulation of things. With less overhead, you have more flexibility to invest in travel, passion projects, and deepening bonds with loved ones. Those purposeful adventures and moments become your most appreciated wealth. Reason number 6, live with clarity. In our fast-paced, consumer-driven world, it's easy to get caught up mindlessly on the hamster wheel of routine. Work, spend, sleep, and repeat. You're making choices and spending money on autopilot instead of being present and purposeful. but a simple living approach forces you to become more thoughtful and intentional in how you curate your life. You keep only belongings, activities, and relationships that add true value and align with your authentic priorities. This intentional approach provides amazing clarity, allowing you to design a meaningful existence in line with your values. And that's the greatest form of wealth. Reason number 7. Less organizing and maintaining. Take a look around your living space. How much time do you spend organizing, cleaning, and maintaining all your belongings? From cleaning products to storage solutions to repair costs, owning a lot of stuff requires endless time, effort, and money. Dealing with clutter can quickly turn into a major source of stress and drain on your schedule. However, minimalists avoid this time-sucking trap by keeping only essential items. With fewer possessions comes far less cleaning, organizing, and maintenance. You instantly get back hours of free time each week that would have been eaten up by stuff-related chores and tasks. This gift of extra time is invaluable for focusing on priorities that truly enrich your life. We've discussed the theory, but taking action is where many people fall short when it comes to improving their lives. So to overcome that, check out this video next for a practical month-by-month calendar of minimalist habits you can start today to get you one step closer to financial freedom.